In today's fast-paced manufacturing landscape, efficiency and adaptability are critical to staying competitive. Your overall success depends on precise planning, seamless operations, and complete visibility into your production processes. Introducing CUSCEN Solutions, the customer-centric ERP designed for the manufacturing industry. CUSCEN is the market-leading customer-centric ERP solution that's designed to successfully deliver results for manufacturers. Deployed on a single integrated platform and designed for manufacturers of all sizes, CUSCEN seamlessly integrates and simplifies business processes, empowering companies like yours to stay ahead and exceed expectations. CUSCEN ERP solution empowers manufacturers to accomplish many key factors, such as optimizing production planning. You can streamline those scheduling, reduce downtimes, and maximize resource utilization. Gain real-time visibility, monitor the production progress, track your inventory, analyze quality data, and proactively address bottlenecks before they happen. Enhance your overall quality control, implement rigorous quality standards, minimize defects, and improve product consistency. Equally, you can improve collaboration, strengthen the communication across departments from design and production to logistics and delivery. Drive the innovation available in the industry. Leverage data-driven insights to refine your processes, cut your costs, and enhance your overall competitiveness in this competitive landscape. Optimize your production scheduling. You can visualize the workflows, monitor progress, and identify potential delays before they impact your operations. Improve your overall inventory management. Optimize your raw materials, your work in progress, finished goods for a seamless production flow. Leverage robust business intelligence. Access actionable insights to boost efficiency and drive strategic decision-making throughout your enterprise. And lastly, deploy intelligent integration. Seamlessly connect with manufacturing systems such as MES and PLM systems through the CUSCEN API integration library. With CUSCEN ERP, manufacturers can achieve measurable results through the reduced production costs, minimize waste, optimize resource utilization, and improve overall efficiency. Improving your overall product quality. Enhance quality control processes, reduce your defects, and meet stringent industry standards. Increase customer satisfaction. Deliver products on time and meet customer expectations with greater consistency. Stay ahead of the competition with a smarter, more agile manufacturing approach. Please visit our website or contact us today for a free consulting session to discover how CUSCEN Solutions can help to transform your business.